guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we just try to grow them the best we can. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So we're in 2023. It is the month of January and I am going to be, I think, trying to start like a monthly my favorites, just to kind of like showcase my favorite plants each month because I like watching those types of videos. So if I like it, other people like it, so you guys might also like it. So let me know in the comments below if you like these types of videos, if I should keep doing them or what. Let me know. Alrighty. So I have 5 plants and we're going to start off with the Hoya Thrina. Look how dark these leaves are. OMG. And it has sun stressed so fast, like it's even hard to see. Like, and the veining, it just pops. It's such a dark green leaf and the edges come out red. You can see better on the backs. But this guy sun stresses real easy. I'm not sure where this plant grows in nature, but it must be like on the ground floor, covered in a cave. I don't know, because it's not on a shelf with any grow lights, and it's like as far away from a grow light that I have in my plant room. But it has been sun stressed. It hasn't lit up. It has not. It's growing a new leaf. Ooh. Okay, hold on. So I don't know if you can see that right in front of my nail right here. That's a new leaf. I have no idea. You can't even see it. Look at that right there. I hope you can see it. Maybe that's better. Look at that. Look. It's growing a new leaf. You know, if I had known this plant was going to sun stress this dark and deep and so easily, I probably wouldn't have put it in a black pot. I probably would have picked like a lighter color pot, but I didn't know. I didn't know it was going to sun stress so easily. But yeah, I mean, this plant sun stressed faster than my Hoya Sunrise. And it's beautiful. Look at that. It's only got 3 leaves, 3 mature leaves, but we got a 4th one coming. Oh, that's even better. So the Hoya Thrina. All right, the next plant I want to show you is the lace vine. I'm not even sure. I don't know the scientific name for this guy, but look, it's flowering. Oh, and look how beautiful those flowers are. If I can hold my arms straight. But look at how good that looks. That is beautiful. And look at how long she is. She's got multiple flowers coming out. Very easygoing plant. She's got some unopened blooms coming in. Right here's an unopened bloom. We got another one up here, which is closer to blooming. And every time I see this plant flower, I just get so happy. I love it. I love it. It's a white flower with purple dots. And from what I remember in like a couple of botany classes I took in my undergrad, white flowers usually attract animals at night, right? Because bats can't see. So animals at night that are out and about at night are usually attracted to white flowers. I'm pretty sure that's what I remember. And I'm interested to find out if if I get any seeds, to let me know if there's some type of nighttime creepy crawly in my plant room, which is fine. But yeah, look at that. Or maybe moths. Moth is probably another one. Bats and moths. And there's other ones at night too, but I can't remember what those insects are. But I do remember white flowers usually bring a nighttime pollinators. There is no like smell to them. I haven't noticed any scent to the blooms or anything like that. So yeah, There's also got to be some type of evolutionary pollinating factor to the dots. I really should look into it and try to see if I can find some papers on it. And maybe I'll do like a full video of it. Oh, there's more blooms down here. Guys, I didn't even see. Look, we have more. They haven't opened up yet completely. Look at that. Look how cute that is. The lace vine. If you guys come upon it, you should definitely get it. Easy care, beautiful. It blooms. It'll just keep blooming once it gets mature. It's a pretty plant. Get one. All right, the next plant I want to show you is my Philodendron Variegated. Look how big she grew. This was from a one node, one leaf cutting. I did originally get another little cutting of it to make it fuller. That one I'm pretty sure died off. So this is all from one plant. As it grows, I wrap it around the base. And look at how full she is. And look at these leaves. That's a beautiful half leaf. Beautiful. The newer ones are coming in even whiter, which I'm not sure is a good thing or not. But look at that leaf. Look at how beautiful that is. We have another leaf right here. It's huge. This leaf looks like it's going to be really big. We'll see. Who knows? But I'm just so happy and I guess proud. I feel like it's weird to say you're proud of a plant, but I guess I'm proud of myself for taking care of this plant, aka remembering to water it so that it can continue pushing out these beautiful leaves. Yeah, so easy. It's definitely, I think I bought I bought it for, I want to say around $40, one node, one leaf. The prices probably have come down since then, but I think, I don't know, $40 is kind of a lot for a leaf. But look at all the new leaves I have now. Look at that. It is such a beautiful plant. Oh, and I can't wait for it to branch. I feel like it's getting ready to like branch out and make a new vine. And I'm ready for it. I'm here for it. I'm ready to see this guy start trailing. I think I'm going to let it go and start trailing. I think the top is pretty full. And yeah, I mean, how can you not? Look at these leaves. Every single one is variegated. The older leaves are darker green on green. And I would like to see how long it takes, or if it's going to even happen for these lighter colored leaves to darken. It also looks like on the back like red. Like, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but like this darker patch has like a red hue to it. Like, that's really cool. Unless it's like damaged somehow from a pest and it's dying. But yeah, even on this one, like it's kind of reddish. I'm not sure if you can see that, but really awesome. I love this plant. I love the planter. Again, I can't gush about these planters more or enough. It's from Nikki Gunning, artist ceramicist. She takes custom orders if you are interested. And yeah, I love them. I love them. All right, the next plant I'm going to show you is part of my favorites this month because we're finally getting some real leaves on this. So this is my Philodendron Campos Portiana. Now, as you can see down here, we went through it. We had a couple of misshapen leaves, crinkled leaves, ripped leaves, funky looking leaves, little leaves. We still have a leaf here that hasn't even unfurled. I don't know what that's about, but we'll unfurl it right now. It didn't even unfurl and it just kept going. It was like, let's see. Just says unfurl it. So it's a full leaf, it just never unfurled. So that's what it looks like. We have another one up here that didn't unfurl, but it kept going and it's been putting out these huge, beautiful leaves. It's so like, it reminds me of the Micans, just not as dark. And it's beautiful. So we'll also unfurl this one together. What side? We'll try. I don't know. This might be bad news bears, but all right, we got it. And the side that didn't unfurl is still like a light green color. Might die off, but yeah, so I do have to like fix this. This is crazy wobbly, but I'm impressed at what these leaves can look like. Not what they were looking like, but what they can and now are looking like. Beautiful. We have another one up here. We're just going to help this guy out. And then we have another leaf right here coming out. We have another one right here coming out. And yeah, this is just, there's leaves at every single node. And they weren't always leaves at every single node. Also the aerial roots or adventitious roots are going off on this guy. So he's doing really well. Right down here, this plant looks like it branched off also. This is like a new little branch. I'm just so, I'll try to give you a view of like the underneath of the leaves too. Or can you see through it? Look how pretty that is. It is a beautiful plant. Beautiful. Now it's beautiful. Before, when it was just like down here looking all crazy, it wasn't that good looking. But yeah, she's definitely made a comeback and is looking so much better and has started the year off right. So there we go. All right, and the last plant I'm going to show you is a Hoya, of course. It is the Hoya Velosa. So I got this plant in a trade / purchase from Nicole over at My Clean Leaves. I can't remember if I traded for this one or if I purchased this one, but I got it with these 2 leaves down here, which look gorgeous, by the way. Beautiful. And then a couple months over the summer, I got this leaf, and then it didn't do nothing after that. So it was the 3-leaf Hoya, and then it recently pushed this guy out, which I think he's finally done hardening off. And now we have this new guy right here. Look at it. Look at that. And then we have another one right here coming up. Look at how beautiful. And also, I think, I have to move the tag, hold on. I think right here, this node is reactivating. Both of the leaves that had started there popped off, but it looks like it's either going to branch or put out a new leaf. So I'm very excited to see what this plant does in the next couple of months, and I will definitely be updating you. But look at how beautiful this is. Beautiful. Like, it's so fuzzy too. So fuzzy. So excited. Hoya Velosa. Alright guys, so those are my top 5 favorite Hoyas of the month of January 2023. Let me know what your favorites are. Do you have any of these guys? And how are you growing them? Drop all that info in the comments below. And until next time, relax, plant. Peace out.